Okay, right up here is a train track. It has two trains. What will happen if I take one train out? It will make one train. What will happen if what looks different? Yeah, the train station. Now, what will happen if I take two of them? It will make a 0. What will happen if I put one more? It will make 3. So, now, which one is going to be right when I put it like this? Who's going to be right? This left or this right? The one with the magnetiles. So you could, and which one is on the left? This left or this right? The one without the magnetiles. Now you know the difference. Now, which one is with more ones with 4? It is the other one. Thank you. Bye-bye.